What if I told you the color you pick for your products could double your sales without changing your designs or prices? It's true. Up to 90% of buying decisions are made in seconds, and it all comes down to color. Today, I'll show you exactly how to use green and bold palettes to boost your conversions, stand out in every niche, and turn browsers into buyers, no matter what you sell, all year long. Let's start with why color is such a conversion superpower. Studies show color influences brand recognition by up to 80%, and it directly impacts how shoppers feel about your product's value and trustworthiness. People connect emotions and quick decisions to the colors they see. That means picking the right palette isn't just about looking pretty, it's about making your products irresistible and unforgettable. Here's a quick win. Even just changing the main color in your mockups can boost your click-through rates by 30% or more. That's a game changer you can use right now. Green is a color most sellers underestimate. Yes, it's legendary for celebrations, but it's also the color of abundance, freshness, and new beginnings. Shoppers instinctively recognize Kelly green and Irish green as symbols of joy, luck, and positivity. They trigger excitement, not just in March, but all year. Products featuring bold greens consistently see 2 to 3 times more engagement compared to plain colors. And green isn't just one shade. Try soft greens for wellness or bold greens for that instant wow factor. No holiday required. So which products work best with green and bold color blends? Start with unisex t-shirts and hoodies. These are perfect for bold, expressive palettes. Mugs and tumblers are gifting all-stars, while canvas art, tote bags, and blankets let you make a statement in any room. Outdoor items like garden flags and lawn signs, those bright greens and bold combos make them unmissable from the curb. The best part? GearLaunch's mockup generator lets you instantly preview your designs on every product so you can test, tweak, and launch like a pro. While green is your year-round hero, bold palettes are your secret weapon for eye-catching, high-converting campaigns. Products with saturated, contrasting colors sell up to twice as much during peak events, and even on regular days, they're the ones everyone remembers. Don't just stick to plain green. Try pairing it with gold, white, or even neon for that scroll-stopping effect. Want to really stand out? Test bold combos on phone cases, journals, or wall art. You'll be amazed at the results. Some sellers report 2x higher click rates with bold palettes alone. Ready to put this into action? Here's your quick GearLaunch game plan. First, choose high-impact products like tees, mugs, and wall art. Next, upload 3 to 5 variations. Try at least one bold green, one classic, and one with a surprise twist. Use the mockup generator to see which pops the most. Bundle products with a shared palette to boost your average order value, and don't forget to test small ads on social media to see what grabs the most attention. And here's the key: swap in softer greens or bold combos for evergreen, year-round sales, not just for holidays. Here's the proof. Personalized products in bold color palettes see up to 40% higher conversion rates. Green-themed listings get 2 to 3 times more clicks, and apparel with high contrast colors outperforms muted styles by over 50%. Even better, 90% of product judgments are made on color alone. That's why getting your palette right gives you an instant edge. Want a complete color psychology cheat sheet for every GearLaunch category? I've got the full breakdown, plus bonus product combos and campaign ideas waiting for you in the article linked below. To recap, mastering green and bold palettes isn't just a design trend. It's a proven way to boost engagement, drive more clicks, and unlock higher sales across any GearLaunch product, any time of year. For the full step-by-step guide, complete color cheat sheets, and extra pro tips, check out the article linked below. Now's the time to experiment, bundle, and refresh your color strategy. Get started today on GearLaunch and make your next campaign your most profitable ever.